All right, the turkey is ready. Let's eat.
Wow, that looks so good.
Careful, it's hot. Good morning.
The sun is shining today.
5 more minutes.
We are having a special breakfast this morning.
It's okay, sweetie. Everything is going to be all right. Mommy's here.
I'll help prepare the food. Can I stir the soup? Can I taste the carrots?
Cooking together feels wonderful. Sparkling white. Perfect.
There we go, much better. Let's make today a magical day. Sometimes you just need to wash the day away and remember who you are.
Wow, that water feels great.
Family time is important. Look at these beautiful vegetables. So fresh.
All right, kids, who's ready for the secret ingredient? These carrots are looking perfect.
And that's the final touch of rosemary. It smells absolutely wonderful already, doesn't it, honey?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Sometimes cooking isn't just about the recipe. It's about who you're cooking for. I just wish she was here to taste it.
Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. The family is gonna love it.
I'll help prepare the food.
And here it is, fresh from the oven. Who's hungry?
La la la, dinner time is almost here. Sharing smiles with the one so dear.
Everything smells amazing. Ugh, I'm getting hungry already.
I am so grateful for this family.
We love you all so much.
This food looks incredible. Okay, 1, 2, 3, say cheese.
Oh, honey, that's adorable. We look so funny.
We thank thee for this food.
Amen.
Looks incredible, everyone. Dig in.
Yay, I can't wait.
All right, who's ready for some turkey?
It looks absolutely perfect this year. I can't wait.
Room for turkey.
This is amazing, Mom. It really is the best.
All right, everyone, who wants the first piece of the perfect roast?
Me, Dad, me.
It looks delicious, honey.
A little more for you.
All right, you two, who's ready for some pie?
Me, I am. That looks so good.
Save the biggest slice for me, Mom.
This is absolutely incredible, honey.
I told you the new recipe was worth it.
It's so yummy. It really is the perfect bite, isn't it?
Can I have some more ice cream, please? Look at this team effort. We'll be done in no time.
We really make a great team, don't we?
Yeah, high five.
said the funniest thing this morning. What was it?
Go on, tell them, honey. Roar means I love you in dinosaur. To the best family in the world.